Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. We are discussing about the chapter 1, our skeletal system. What are the components of human skeleton system? Look at this picture. Skull, vertebral column, rib cage, arm and leg bones and joints. These are the components of human skeletal system. We have discussed skull, vertebral column and rib cage in our previous videos. In this video, we are going to discuss arm and leg bones. We have two pairs of limbs, upper limb and lower limb. Look at this picture. These are our upper limbs and are called arm. These are lower limbs and are called legs. Look at this picture. This is skeleton of upper limb which is called arm. So arm has 3 long bones and several short bones. Long bones are humerus, radius and ulna. Look at this picture again. This is our upper arm and this is lower arm. In upper arm, long bone is present which is called humerus. And in lower arm, long bones are present. These are radius and ulna. These bones are joined to each other at the elbow. And the lower arm has several small bones which form wrist, palm and fingers. Look at this picture. Arms are connected to shoulder blades at the back and collar bones in the front. This is shoulder blade and this is collar bones. These shoulder blades and collar bones form together shoulder girdle. Look at this picture. This is our lower limb which is called leg. Lower limb has 3 long bones and several small bones. Long bones are femur, tibia and fibula. Look at this picture again. This is upper leg and this is lower leg. Upper leg has long bone which is called femur and is the longest bone and also called thigh bone. The femur fits into the hip girdle at the top and connected to the lower leg at the knee. Next, lower leg has 2 long bones, tibia and fibula. Tibia bears the weight of entire body and there are several small bones in the lower leg which form ankle and toe. Now it's time for homework. Write this question in your notebook which is describe the upper limbs of our body. And also learn filling the blanks and true false of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.